So today I'm going to discuss something very important, which many of them will have in their mind, that how to work as a dentist after doing your BDS or MDS in the Gulf countries. So today I'm concentrating much more on UAE because I will explain it to you. Okay, so watch my video to the end so that you don't miss any important points in between. Okay, so UAE, as you know, that it is one of the fastest developing countries across the entire world, and because of this reason many of the medical professionals, including the dental professionals, the dental hygienists, the dental technicians, the dental assistants, all are opting to work in the Gulf countries, especially the UAE. Now why UAE? Because it is the proudest emirates across the world, and a majority of the population is concentrated in the UAE among the Gulf countries, and the currency here is pronounced as a dirham. Okay, obviously it's not a single country, it's made up of the 7 different emirates. Okay, as far as I know, that is Dubai, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, Al Ain, Ajman, Ras Al Khaimah, then Fujairah. Okay, so these are the 7 different emirates. Al Ain is actually not an emirate, it's a city, and the Al Quwain is the 7th emirate. Okay, Al Ain is the city, is one of the city which is present between Oman and Abu Dhabi. It's a border between the Oman and Abu Dhabi. Okay, so it's one of the city, and to work as a dentist in those emirates you have to pass certain set of examinations. Okay, so there are 3 set of examinations mainly. For example, if you want to practice in Dubai or Fujairah, you have to give DHA examination. Okay, so there are 3 set of examinations which we have to clear before applying for a job. Fine. Now I will let you know what are the types of the examinations and which type of examination should be in which emirate. Okay, so for Dubai and Fujairah you need to pass DHA, that is the Dubai Health Authority examination. For Abu Dhabi and Al Ain you have to give HAAD, that is Health Authority of Abu Dhabi examination. And if you want to practice in rest of the 4 emirates, then you will have to give the MOH, that is the Ministry of the Health Administration examination. Fine. There is a separate syllabus for all these examinations. You have to learn all those which you have learned already in your dentistry, 4 years of dentistry. Okay, so there is a separate syllabus as such. Only the examination, licensing procedures, everything will be different. Okay, so I won't be able to explain everything in detail in a single video, so I will be explaining it in part wise manner. Okay, and the one more important thing is that most of the people or most of the medical professionals are concentrating in Dubai or Sharjah to work as a dentist in Dubai or Sharjah, because of the proudest emirates or cities, and obviously because of that there is much more opportunities to practice over there because of the increased demand of the medical or the dental professionals, and obviously we'll receive the payment, increased payment. And I have seen many people working in Dubai or for that matter the Gulf countries for 10-20 years. They earn a lot and they shift back to their motherland. This is what I have seen personally, and this is the reason why they are settling much more in the Gulf countries. So I hope all your queries must have cleared through my video. Don't worry, I will be explaining about the entire registration process as such in detail in my upcoming videos. Okay, now the registration process is also called as Sharian in Arabic language. So there is it's a very long procedure actually. You need to upload your documents. There is a much more larger procedure. Okay, so I will be explaining it in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned with my channel. And yes, if there is anyone who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe right now, and also do click on the bell icon button so that you don't miss any important videos of mine. Then okay, let's see you next time. Take care. Bye.